really want to wake up to this? I wake up to this every morning. Took in a feral cat from down by the truck stop. Every morning, seeing this face ready to chew me to death. It's a bold bird. So he knows he's caged. He's not like a Maya Angelou bird. He's not singing because he's caged. He's staring you down because he's caged. I mean, people like superpowers. And I mean, ecstasy, okay, makes you lovey, makes you hug people, gets you, laid now and again. Coke makes you feel brilliant and speedy and fast. Pot makes you laugh a lot and hungry. Like, all that stuff is great, but PCP, superpowers. Run through walls, jump off the top of a building. Every bone below the waist is broken, but you still go. I don't know, I guess people got scared off that somehow. I blame the Kool-Aid man. So that was anti-PCP propaganda right there. We were thinking, oh, I'd love to run through a wall, but I don't want to be a big pitcher of sugar water with red food coloring in it. The only downside to being convicted for dealing drugs is that you have to stop dealing drugs, basically. It's Tim Allen this, Tim Allen that. Tim Allen had drug offenses. He fixes things. Look at Tim Allen now. Why can't you be more like Tim Allen? Why can't you be in a cartoon? Why can't you be in a Pixar film? She just doesn't get it. Doesn't get it. You know who gets it though? This fella here. Sometimes I do this. I get home really late after 14-15 hours at Landalor. The only thing I can really think to do before I black out is to take off my blue jeans, throw them on the floor, and grab the nearest roll of toilet paper and just start